Hello and welcome to Easy Blender channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to use HDRI in your projects. HDRI is short for High Dynamic Range Image, which adds some background and lighting to your project. First we need an HDRI file, and there are some websites which provide you with some good HDRIs, like Polyhaven. Search for Polyhaven. Let's download an HDRI. Okay, our HDRI is downloaded. Let's load it into project. There are two ways to use HDRI in your project. First way is go to Shading tab. From here, select from Object to Word. Press Shift A and search for Environment Texture. Put the node here and connect the yellow dots to each other. And from there, you can choose your HDRI file, which I downloaded. To be able to see the HDRI file, you must go to Viewport Shading mode. You can see that HDRI is on background of our project. HDRIs add some background to your project and also add some lighting. You can strengthen or dim the lights from here, from strength. If you increase this number, the HDRI gets brighter. If you decrease it, it gets darker. And the other method is to choose word from here. And in the color, select Environment Texture and click on Open and load your HDRI file. You can see it works the same. And if you want to rotate your HDRI, you remove it, you must go to Shading, press Shift A and search for Texture Coordinate. And Mapping. And connect the mapping to Environment Texture. And we have three parts here: location, rotation and scale. From rotation, you can rotate your HDRI in each angle you want, X, Y or Z. Also, you can move your HDRI from location. Okay, that's it for today. I hope you enjoy. Thank you for your attention, and if you have any question, just comment down below.